Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the game in Python that is rock, paper and Caesar. In their childhood, everyone had must played this game in their school with their friends. Now we are going to discuss about the rules of the game. That if rock and paper combines, then paper wins, as paper can wrap the rock inside in it. If the paper and Caesar combines, then Caesar wins, as Caesar can cut the paper, and if Rock and Caesar combine, then Rock will win as Rock can break the Caesar. Now we are going to discuss the code which is used to create this game. We have used a random library as and given three predefined input that is rock, paper, and Caesar in it. From these three values, computer is going to take a one value at random. It can take any one of them and user have to give a one value if and combining both the values, there is output according to the rules I have discussed earlier. Now we are going to see a code and play the game with computer. Here is the code for the game. Let's see. That is import random and many of the other things are in it, and else if functions are used. Now it's time to play the game. Enter 1 for start the game and enter 2 for exit the game. Now we have to play the game. That's why we are going to insert 1. And there is three options are given below. These options are given for user to choose values rock, paper and scissor. Any value you can choose from 1 to 3. Let's choose paper. As computer value is rock and player value is paper. Therefore, player win means you win, as paper can wrap the rock inside in it, as discussed in rules of before. Continue it till 5 times, as there is a 5 chance to play the game. Now it's time. Then in this time also we win. Continue till 5 times. Now you win the game means you had won the game and your score is 5 and computer score is 0. Now wow, it's a good. If you want to play the game again, then enter 1, or if you want to exit the game, then enter 2. Let's do enter 2 and exit the game. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and source code for the given program is in description.